Hello? Is anyone there? I didn't watch this yesterday, but the freaking, very expensive Apple Vision Pro headset thing, the freaking goggles. Have you guys seen these? They're $3,500. It's kind of like a Meta Quest, but Apple's version, I guess.
Introducing Apple Vision Pro. The era of spatial computing.
It looks pretty much identical to the Mark Zuckerberg machine, which has a little bit of dust on it, I'll admit.
When you put on Apple Vision Pro, you see your world and everything in it. Your favorite apps live right in front of you.
That's almost like a phone.
They're in your space. This is Vision OS, Apple's first ever.
Now I never have to be alone.
It's familiar yet groundbreaking. You navigate.
It looks like the phone.
Simply tap to select, flick to scroll.
Like a phone!
Use your voice to dictate. It's like magic.
No, it's not! It's like technology!
Have dimension. React to light.
Almost exactly like it!
And cast shadows.
I just don't know why it's so much more expensive. Isn't this one like
these spatial
a couple $100?
Inside Vision Pro. It looks, sounds, and
like actually like reasonably affordable? There. I know that's not really Apple's thing, but $3,000? They don't want anyone to buy them.
When someone else is in the room, you can see
maybe they suck.
And they can
maybe they don't want to be found out. But yeah, VR stream would be sick. The VR thing is just kind of hard to get used to, honestly. I get like motion sick half the time when I try to freaking do it, but it is really fun. And I do have to do more content on it because freaking it's lit. But I'm definitely not getting one of these. To look at screensavers or to ignore my kids. You don't even have to talk to them anymore or watch them do stupid stuff like blowing bubbles. I could film this and watch it later when I'm not busy.
Back in the exact moment.
My kids are in Madrid for some reason. Oh, this is actually weird. It feels like they died. It's a weird vibe. Why is he sitting in the dark? I remember when I had my kids. Oh, I wish they were here to see this. Ooh, okay. All right,
Dad. You can create a moment of calm.
Finally, a moment of calm. Finally, just one moment of calm. Do a VR stream have to finish the What the Trilogy and the What the Bat? Oh yeah, true, you're right. I did see that game. I gotta play it at some point, but not on this thing.
And you can make the screen as
not on the Apple ski goggles, clout goggles.
Spatial audio surrounds you and makes you feel like you're a part of the action.
I'm a part of the action, Dad, and you can't tell me otherwise. See, it's just like a TV that's floating. They're really not making this look good. And when I say good, I mean it looks cool, but not $3,000 cool. They just made it look like a TV!
It's a wonderful way to play your favorite games.
That is a TV on your eyes!
Just connect your controller and play on a massive screen with incredible audio.
I don't know, man. I don't think we need Apple Vision Pro. I think we got... How do you open this?
The web comes to life at
we got the best
scale. Text
technological Google Glasses money could buy.
Browsing the internet feels new.
I don't remember how to use these. These are the Snapchat ones. Or the first generation Snapchat ones. I think they have new ones now.
All your open tabs.
How do you even use these? I don't even remember. There's a button somewhere.
Your favorite apps from
Apple and
the App Store are there.
Hey, I'm Snapchatting you. I mean, no, I'm not. I'm not a creepy pervert. I just have these.
And work seamlessly across them.
And I didn't want you to notice necessarily. All right, guys, you're just FaceTiming your friends. Enough. Enough.
Hey, buddy, what you up to? Porn. I'm watching porn. Get out of here.
I'm not. I'm just recording you. I mean, no, I'm not.
$3,500 Apple goggles. Get out of here. Now, where was I?
See, this one was way shorter and to the point. Shout out Jack's Film. Are you guys gonna buy the headset? What do you think? Why can't I play games on Snapchat headset? Why not? These are the questions I have. Do you guys want technology on your eyes? Let me know. I have not taken these out of the box in 25 years. Probably since I bought them. But they like charge through the case, which is why they're never gonna charge again, because I don't even know where the cord is. All right, back to hell, glasses. A relic of the past. Isn't it like 4K for real? It is. Insanity. But some gamer somewhere will play Fruit Ninja on it and let me know how it is. And let me play winner. Thank you guys for freaking watching. If you're watching this as a YouTube video later, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, helps me out a lot. I always appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Have a good night, boys.